This is Mick Elliott from Electronic Specifier at Embedded World. I am on the Smiths Interconnect stand at the show, and with me is Pierre Cardinal, Regional Sales Manager for Smiths Interconnect. Pierre, first of all, can you just give us a brief overview of what Smiths Interconnect is showing here at Embedded World?
Yeah, we're pretty excited to be here today because we'll be showing our new technology for passive components and also active components. We'll focus on our resistive attenuators, and also we'll show our thermopads and our filters, and also our products, circulators, isolators, and waveguide product. And then we'll focus on our active components, so the transceivers for space and for also industrial and defense market. So we're excited to be here again to help the embedded community to evolve a new solution for the market.
Okay, and what markets do the RF components and optical transceivers fall under?
Our main focus is on the industrial, medical, space, and defense, where high reliability products are required. So we very focus on providing high solution in harsh environment type of requirement that the community was looking for. So basically, space is really a big market for us, and defense, but also in the medical when the requirements are required for industrial spec.
Okay, and can you show us what Smiths Interconnect's unique embedded fiber optic technologies are bringing to the show?
So I got to show you our product. Basically, we have designed probably what in the industry we call the best swap in the market. So very small size, very lightweight, and low power consumption product. So basically it's embedded transceivers for the 10G or 28G. They come in either 40RX, duplex, or 12TX, 12RX, and we have unique products that have 24 lines, so it's a 12 duplex, 12TRX line of product. And over the time, we designed the product also for the space market. So basically, we're following the European Space Agency requirement for space mission electronic components. So we have radiation resistant transceivers. And we're very proud to have the first satellite, SCS-17A, that's using our transceiver for high throughput satellite. So 25 years mission. So we have done that with our partner, Thales Alenia Space. Since then, we're getting into more and more missions. So our products are called TR9, so technology readiness level 9, so proof with satellite now flying using our technology. Originally it was with the 10G, and now we move towards the 28G products. We'll also be launching very soon. In the meantime, we also develop new technology allowing embedded, so edge-mounted transceivers, so connected directly into a backplane connector. So this is as per the Vita standard, so it's an open standard, and also SOSA for the military requirement. So we have designed this technology. It's very unique. And on the board you see different products. So this one as an example, it's a very dense board where you're using a transceiver connected at the edge, and then you have the fiber optics connecting two transceivers further down. So this brings a lot of powers for a new design. And now the market is evolving towards more what we call satellite D2D. So this is very important for the IoT community, basically providing direct-to-device communication. So there's going to be new constellation of satellite launching and will require very high powerful transmission in the satellite that we are providing, and basically it will communicate directly to the device, so allowing either your device like IoT or the smartphone to connect directly to the satellite without needing basically a gateway or a ground station to communicate, or a special design telephone to communicate. So it will use a standard cellular network, basically. So it would allow all the device to be tracked, follow, communicate, whatever in the world, without directly through a satellite. So this is definitely a big evolution in the market. Proof of concept has been done, and I think we have the right products for this new evolution of the market.
And did you work with the customers when you were developing this, or was this an opportunity you spotted and developed the product specifically?
Well, we work mostly with the vendors, company like Airbus, Thales, and Space. We're also very active with European Space Agency, and also we are listening to the requirement of the operators that require of our products. So we'll be working hand to hand. It's a long process because to make those transceiver radiation harden, it's a complex system, and we have to go through a whole set of tests, as you could imagine. Yeah. So we're pretty proud of that technology and be able to do it. And as I said, 5 years ago we launched the first satellite. So it was for us was a big accomplishment, but it opened the door now for optic in space, and we can see that the markets is just evolving so fast. So here with the community, you see, we can hear a lot more about need, requirement for high throughput satellite, but also for LEO and smaller satellite, but still we need a lot of power processing, and that's what we bring with our technology.
So you basically cover all the satellite applications from low Earth orbit upwards into the stratosphere.
Yeah, exactly. And as I said, D2D it's new. It's going to be, I think, a big evolution for the market. As I said, for IoT, all the devices, but also for telephony. And now you'll be able to use anywhere your phone through a satellite, not needing to have knowing if you have bad connection or good connection. It will be done through your satellite with little latency. So it will be, I think it will bring open new doors to the market.
Okay. It was just one final question. The space-able transceivers, I guess specific applications are some of those that you've just talked about for the space market?
Yeah, exactly. So mainly the spaceable is what we need for these type of application. Clients are happy to know that our transceivers have been through all the certification to sustain long missions. So we're talking about 25 years mission. Some additional testing sometimes required by the clients, but for new space, we have the right products. You don't need a new operator, don't need to do specific testing. They know they've been certified by European Space Agency. So it meets all the strict requirements. So.
Pierre Cardinal from Smiths Interconnect, thank you very much.